What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. For those of you who are coming back, thank you very much for your support. I do appreciate it. Hello, my lovely people. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my mango salad. What I'm going to be doing for you guys, I've washed my mango, my bell pepper, and my cucumber already. So I'm just going to go ahead now and peel my mango. Ensure that you're using a sharp knife to do this. Now I'm going to slice my mango in small circles. You try to get as much of the flesh off the mango seed as possible. That's the amount I'm going to be taking off. Now you're gonna go in. You're gonna slice your mango pieces into small strips, just like this, or you can do them a little longer. So just like how you'd want them. So my mango is finished. So I'm putting those in my bowl right now. Now I'm going to go in with half of my cucumber, and I am going to slice as well. Simple and easy salad that you can make at home to take to work, or just to have a refreshing salad when you feel for it. Now I'm going to go in with my red onion. You want to ensure that you cut these very thin. You don't want them to be too thick. If you're comfortable with a knife, you can do it this way as well. Either way, whichever way is more efficient for you, you can do it. Some persons are more comfortable on the cutting board and can get them evenly thin. I am comfortable with my hands. Now I'm going to go in with my bell peppers. Remember, I've washed all of these before. So now I'm going to cut this into tiny strips. Now guys, it's time for me to go in with my parsley, and I'm going to use the leaves. Try not to use a lot of this because it can be too overpowering. Now onto the sauce for my salad over there. So what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you don't have this, you can substitute for vinegar of your choice. Right? Now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can go ahead and use honey for this if you like, or as a substitute for sugar. I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt, some black pepper, about half teaspoon of black pepper. You can use whichever seasoning you like. You can use just garlic and onion. I'm just adding half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm just going to be adding a few drops of sesame seed oil. I'm going to mix this properly together. And I'm just going to pour this over my salad. Go ahead and toss this for you. And this is how I get my beautiful, lovely mango salad. So there you have it, guys, my lovely mango salad. You can have it for lunch or dinner, whichever you prefer. Ensure that you allow your food to become your medicine and your medicine your food. I hope you like it. Try it and let me know how it turns out for you. Or if you have ever done another mango salad with another flair, please send it my way, share it with me. I would love to add that to my collection as well. Remember to like, guys, share, leave a comment, tell your friend about my channel so your friend can tell another friend and tell another friend and tell another friend. Bye for now. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time.